So I was thinking about it, driving down here. We drove through some whiteout conditions there for like an hour, and you can see in my old videos from the last couple of days what we've been dealing with in Erie, Pennsylvania, and it's cold out. But I was thinking about it, and I know a lot of the people that subscribe to my channel came over from Marco's channel, and he does the Canadian drive-in and the ice roads and all that stuff. So there's a good example on a lot of his videos. But I'm going to get bored. I'm just going to throw up a bunch of my camera footage from the car. And I know in the Philippines, I don't know, I'm sure you've seen snow. I don't know if what it's like driving in the snow, what we deal with up here. Because it's all tropical weather in the Philippines. One day I'm going to come there and see what it's like in tropical paradise. But yeah, just going to attach the ride down here. But this is what it's like, white knuckling the steering wheel for an hour straight with trucks. And I mean, one wrong move, you're toast. So it's yeah, it's definitely a little bit different driving up here. But enjoy. What? Nope. That'd be alright. It'd be like it never even happened in a mile down the road. I need, you want to say goodbye to Papa? Like, because I'm going to take you to school and he's going to go to the hotel. And take him that when you get out. Oh, we are here. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We are here through the snow and out of Erie and through the whiteout blizzard for an hour, and we made it to Pittsburgh. I dropped my kid off back at college since we were coming down this way, and boogied over to the Pittsburgh International Airport, and we're staying at a hotel here right behind. There's an Army Reserve depot or whatever there in the airport that's got like Air Force planes and all that stuff. So we're picking up a C-130 aircraft, and if I can remember, I'll throw a picture of it in here. And obviously no wings, but it's still a big one. It's going to be like 15.4 tall, and I think 16 wide, and then I think he's 106, 107 feet long, but I think that is the truck and the trailer. I couldn't quite understand him. I think that's the front of the truck to the back of the trailer, I think, is 107 feet. And then I believe he might have like 16 feet of overhang past that. I think that's what he said. I've looked at a couple pictures of them, and obviously there's overhang out past the far back of the trailer. So we'll have a better idea in the morning when we meet him over there. We got a hotel like right behind it, and getting gas now, and that way we can, you know, sleep in a little longer. And we would have had to leave with the way the snow is and everything else, leaving in the morning would have been just not, it wouldn't have been a safe bet. There's no snow in Pittsburgh. It's not, they got nothing going on, but for the first hour from Erie down, that's where all the snow's sitting. And I mean, it is Star Wars, just an absolute blizzard up there. So we decided if we were going to risk it, to do it tonight. And good thinking, because we're here, we can sleep, we can eat some good breakfast, we can meet him over there in the morning, and we're taking it to Indianapolis. I don't know where in Indianapolis. I haven't even looked that far into the permits and stuff. So tomorrow's driver's actually Jake from last week. This is actually his uncle. He has his own trucking company also. So I've never worked with him. It'll be my first time meeting him. But I did talk to him on the phone. He sounds like a decent guy or whatever. So it should be a good run. The routing and the permitting is so much better than Jake's. I mean, we're obviously not going to the mountaintops of southern PA and West Virginia there, so we're leaving out of Pittsburgh, going to Indianapolis. I know getting out of PA might be just a little bit tricky, because it's kind of just it's just kind of nuts down here around Pittsburgh. But once we get up on the big roads, it's right across Ohio, all interstate, so that part should be easy. And I think the Indiana part of it is relatively easy also. I don't know, I didn't look at it, but the driver there told me that Indiana's not bad either. So I am gonna top off and go get myself what I need for in the morning and head over to the hotel. All right, well, we're at the hotel. Pittsburgh Airport here, the Quality Inn. There's a bunch of hotels here, but right here on this little exit, there's like, I think there's 3 or 4 of them right behind where we're picking this guy up in the morning. And this one was the most expensive. The other ones were like, I don't even know. I think they were like $50. And they had horrible Google reviews. And this one here had like a 4.1 or whatever. It was like double the price. But the review said it was so much better. So I've been sitting here, downloaded some dash cam footage, and maybe 20 minutes I've been sitting here, and I've watched maybe a little longer than 20 minutes, but since I've been sitting here, I have watched 3 planes go right over the hotel, so the strip must be straight behind us. So I'll be interested to know how this sounds from inside the room. So I don't know, looks pretty decent just in the lobby. So looks fairly nice. Clean little breakfast room, little lobby, computers, all that stuff. It don't stink, so that's a plus. A lot of these hotels you get into, they you know, whatever, I don't care what people do, but they just reek of dope, like bad, like super bad. You could just, the hallway permeates with it. So this place actually smells pretty decent, so that'd be nice. I told the boss I'd be back. I was just going to get gas. That was like an hour ago, so we'll see if he's passed out by now. Here we are. Bet you he's sleeping. Let's see how happy he looks. Housekeeping. Housekeeping, you want me to fluff your pillow? Hi. Yeah, he was falling asleep. What'd they crank for a room?
75 plus tax.
75?
AAA.
Like 90 bucks? Not bad, not bad. It's a decent little room. No carpet. Doesn't stink. I don't like it. Oh, I like it. All right. In the morning. It's gonna be every 10 minutes all night long at the hotel. Yeah, that'll be fun.